My name's Jeff Brooks. I was running my own businesses until I started a new business of my own, partnering with Amazon. I have done a number of technology startups and my own entrepreneurial companies, so I really appreciated that Amazon moved fast. My military background comes into play in a couple ways. One is just the people aspect. Knowing how to work with people and care about them as individuals helps make the team better. This is a new business and it's a lot of hard work. It's long days. As long as you come into it expecting that, then it can be very rewarding. It's really cool to see a team that can come together and grow so fast. We just keep finding new rewards along the way.